world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello folks, this video I'm gonna unbox HP OTG flash drive. Okay, it works for type A. Okay, yeah. For type C, right, there is something called as converter which will convert from type C to type A. Okay, I will be giving it in the description. Now let's get into the reviewing part. Okay, so I purchased this product through Flipkart. Okay, for 500 to 550 rupees. I had some super points, so it costed me around 500 something around roughly. So, I'll be giving the product link in the description. You can get it from Flipkart or as well as Amazon. In Chroma store also it's available. Okay, you can get it from there also. Yeah, this is 32 GB wala. It's very good. You can keep it in pocket. That's very lightweight and compact, so not a problem at all. Okay. I have 1 year warranty in Flipkart, and yeah, just see the price over there. It's quite blurry, but yeah, I told you, it costed around something 480. File transfer is almost on 50 Mbps constantly I got. That I'll be showing it in the video further. It's very good, okay, compared to other products in this range, okay. It's worth every single penny here. Let me explain you what it does. It acts as a USB OTG. It means that you can use it in the mobile. Like if in case type A, right, you don't need to convert, you don't need converter or anything. If in case like type C, like OnePlus or Poco or Google Pixel or anything, then you need to get a converter. Okay, it's very cheap. I'll be giving you the tab and the link, product link in the description. Okay, yeah. OTG stands for on the go. It means that it will make your phone to act as a host for any storage devices. Since this is a flash drive, I mean USB OTG, in this case, right, your phone will allow USB to perform normally. It means that you can watch the files whichever they are in your USB flash drive. Isn't it cool? You can watch movies, you can listen to music, you can like see any funny videos, anything. That's really a nice option, right? Yeah, if in case your phone is having a 32 GB or like something, and your memory is full, and you wanna have some download, just put it in the flash drive and just watch it. Isn't it cool? Yeah, that's the best way to transfer files also, instead of going to share it and other things. Since here transfer speed is 50 Mbps constantly, it will be good actually. You can transfer the file fast. If in case large file, right, this is a better idea. Okay, go through the video for product look, transfer speed and other features. Okay, the product looks too class. Okay, you can carry it anywhere you want. Yeah, let me meet you at the end. Yeah, now go to the video. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe it and like it and share it as much as possible. I will come up with a nice content. Okay, thank you.